All we have had dreams. It is an exceptional phenomenon in the human being, and it has awakened the curiosity and interest of many cultures since ancient times. Myths have searched in many different cultures trying to understand and explain these messages of the subconscious. Since the beginning of modern science, different theories were developed from areas as the psychology and the anthropology. Sigmund Freud, father of psychoanalysis, postulated a new theory about dream interpretation. This was the beginning of a series of theories trying to explain this phenomena. According to Hannah Nichols, dreams are stories and images that our minds create while we sleep. There can be frightening, fun, romantic, and sometimes they can be bizarre. Sigmund Freud thought that dreams were a way to get in the secrets of subconscious, and they were desires and repressed impulses. For the Freudian theory, there should be a valid reason and interpretation for each dream according to a symbolic language. However, the complexity of many dreams does not allow the psychoanalysis to make an objective correlation between the symbol and the meaning. There could be a satisfactory explanation for a particular dream, but that could not represent the same meaning in other person with some different nuances. In addition, the misconceptions about the meaning of the symbols in each person cannot be purely associated to a complex analysis of a repressed impulse or desire. The interpretations of dreams is to disappear if we cannot give an objective point of view. In 1975, Alan Hobson proposed the synthesis activation model. This model tried to explain the dreams as an epiphenomena. The dreams because of biochemical reactions and a brain attempt to organize all the information. The acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter, stimulates neuronal nerve endings producing electric charges. The cortex brain and parts in charge of perceptions send a lot of information, which is organized as a mix of memories, perceptions, and feelings. According to Anna Nichols, blind people dream with other sensory components compared with sighted people. This also explains why there could be dreams more related to reality and other ones with many distortions. These two currents of thought between the psychoanalysis and the pure biochemical one have tried to integrate themselves and understand the functions of the dreams. Even Alan Hobson has said that he would rather accept that dreams reveal more than is hidden. However, there is no consensus about the dream as a message from the subconscious. In the magazine Mental Health, it said that the dreams does not represent an altered state of consciousness, but also just a consciousness state different from the vigil. It's thought that everyone dreams between 3 and 6 times per night. This could indicate that the dreams manage the information that we are conscious more than the one we are not, like some kind of meaning that the brain hides from itself. It's accepted that dreams appear to have been regulated by the perceptions, the feelings, and the memories. Depending of the memories brought back by the brain, it is a representation of a distorted reality. The existing relation between what we remember and we forgot in a dream is not very clear yet. Around 95% of the things that we dream is forgotten by the time a person gets out of bed. The dreams about desires can be associated to the brain by instinct processing how to get that desire, but there is no proof of a hidden message beyond the dreams. The actual psychology tries to work with other parts of science, as the neuropsychophysiology, and find out more relevant information about the function of the dreams and the relation with emotions and these different states of consciousness. But it seems that we're not bound to find out all the answers about the dreams. We could finally talk about a phrase made by the molecular biologist Leal Watson that says, "If the human brain were so simple that we could understand it, we would be so simple that we couldn't." So that's all for today, and goodbye. The question I was asked for was what did I like most about this topic, and I think that it's a topic that we haven't reach all the knowledge that we can. It's something that looks very secret to know what is hidden in our mind or something like that. What is happening there? There is no an answer, a exceptional answer about that, and I like to think in our dreams that even with a scientific explanation about that, about the dreams, we are not left to think in the dreams like something magic that is happening in our head, our memories, and all these things that we know, that we love, and the persons that we know. It won't left to be magic, and that's why I choose this topic and why I like.